For my Lexus ISF, I'm going to show you how I wired my dash cam. Now this applies to all Lexus IS250 350 from 06 to 2013. Simply run the wire underneath the headliner. It tucks in here. Can't really see it too well, but the wire is in here, nice and hidden. I popped off this A-pillar right here with the trim removal tool. And then I tucked the wire underneath behind here. So as you can see, it doesn't fit super flush, but you can't really tell unless you were picky about it. Next, I ran the wire down here. So if you look carefully, you can see that the wire is in this weather stripping all the way down here. And next, I popped out this trim piece right here. Popped it out and hit that wire underneath here. And as you can see, the wire is right there, where my index finger is at. So I have it going underneath the seat. And then it comes back right here into the center console, firing into the USB port. Popping off the center console is actually easier than you may think, despite what it looks like. After prying off the two side pieces right here, okay, you pop off the center console, pop it off, okay, you then screw two bolts, which is 1 and 2. And next you pry off this entire piece right here, which is the vents. And then you unscrew these two bolts right here. And then it's loose enough where you can raise it up like so, where you have enough wiggle room to slide the USB wire or USB cable underneath and into the console. So I will have a more detailed video, or actually you can check out my other video for a more detailed process into how to remove the center storage bin. This is exactly how you do it, pretty much. Thanks for watching.